the Seminole County tax collector is asking Gov. Rick Scott to let Floridians pay their 2018 property taxes in advance to avoid changes in the new tax law. The law, signed by President Donald Trump last week, would cap property tax deductions and all combined state and local deductions at $10,000 for taxes owed in 2018. Hundreds of people have called tax offices in Central Florida asking to prepay and claim the full deduction now, before the law goes into effect, but current state law doesn't allow it. Joel Greenberg, the Seminole tax collector, sent a letter to fellow Republican Scott Wednesday asking Florida to follow New York Gov. Andrew Cuomo by issuing an executive order to let early payments be made. Some Florida residents have concluded they may be adversely impacted by this recent change in the law, Greenberg wrote in his letter, an adverse impact that would be remedied by prepaying their 2018 property tax bill in 2017 to maximize their benefits under the still existing federal tax law. Greenberg said Florida statutes allow for the prepayment of property taxes, but only when the tax roll is open for collection. He recommended Scott issue an order temporarily suspending that rule to allow early prepayment through the end of 2017 for taxes owed in 2018. An executive order like this would have the benefit of encouraging early payment of the property tax bills, thus ensuring taxes are paid, and further allowing citizens who think they are hurt by the new federal tax laws to reap the benefits of the existing federal tax laws one additional year, Greenberg wrote. Greenberg acknowledged that the late date of his request, just a few days before the end of the year, could present challenges, but he added, I believe that if this is logistically possible, you could bolster early payment of taxes and lessen the burden on the citizens of this great state, he wrote. Scott's office didn't immediately respond to a request for comment. S. Lemongello at orlandosentinel.com, 407-418-5920 or at Steve Lemongello. Tax collector, sorry, you can't pay 2018 property taxes now to avoid new tax law. John Morgan recently revealed that he's left the Democratic Party and won't run as a Democrat for governor. John Morgan recently revealed that he's left the Democratic Party and won't run as a Democrat for governor. More than 100 proposals to change Florida's constitution are currently being vetted by the Constitution Revision Commission. More than 100 proposals to change Florida's constitution are currently being vetted by the Constitution Revision Commission.